I need you to focus on your own energy, on your own life, on your own path. Because how can you go forward if you're always looking to the left and the right of you? What's so important to the right and left of you that you can't focus on your own path? But the reason why you ain't getting to those goals and those dreams is because you're looking everywhere else but in front of you. You're even looking behind you. But somebody's on a motorcycle, right? And they said, if you look right on the motorcycle is going to go right. If you look left to the motorcycle is going to go left. It may not be by much, but you're going to go whatever direction that you're looking. So think of your life as the vehicle. Your goals are in front of you. They ain't nothing over there. They ain't nothing over there to the right. They ain't nothing over there to the left. They ain't nothing over there behind you. Those things are obsolete. Those things don't matter. I'm just going to call it like it is. Your focus is not where it needs to be. And we need to do whatever we can to make sure our focus is where it needs to be. We got to be able to look in front of us because that's where every ounce of success is. All right? Even though life, is rough, it's an up and down roller coaster, one thing's for certain. Every success and every dream and every goal that we have, every aspiration, whatever you want to call it, every single one of those great things is right in front of us. What does your past have to do with the now? You're trying to get to a certain point in your life, right? You're trying to reach a certain level of success, right? So why are you worried about what anybody else is doing? Why are you worried about what happened in the past? It's in the past. Leave it there. Because life is in front of us. It's not behind us. And if you keep looking behind you, if you keep looking in every other direction but in front of you, by the time you look up, man, it's going to be the end of the road. And you're going to be looking around wondering like, man, what happened? My life just passed me by. It's because you wasn't focusing on the opportunities in front of you. And you have an opportunity. You have the obligation. You have the potential to relish every single thing that comes your way. It's your job. You have no option. Your dreams are counting on you. They're not counting on the past. They're not counting on what's going on over here and what's going on over there. They're not dependent on that. They're dependent on you. They're dependent on you moving forward.